This morning we're taking the trailer into Travelland to get our new leaf springs. So Brent did you a little bit of footage before of how the springs are flattening out. So today we're going to hopefully get some video footage of the trailer being inside the shop, and then we'll show you what the new leaf springs look like before we get too far.
Here we are under the trailer, and we have a minor warranty issue. It's not a huge deal. It's fairly easily swap out, but I'm going to let the dealer do it. The issue is the leaf springs are starting to flatten out. We've had it for just a hair over 2 years. It's a 38-foot 315 RLTS travel trailer, and I will give you a little peek at what they look like. And I have my trusty headlight here. It's like 20,000 lumens, so it should light it up pretty good for you. And also I'll show you the shackles that I've recently put on there as well. So as you can see, the leaf springs have flattened out. We've got just over 14,000 kilometers on the trailer right now. As you can see, I've switched out the wet bolts and the shackles, but not the center point equalizer, as it's a really good unit from Lippert. The shackles were 1/4 inch, and these have gone to a 1/2 inch. So I've got the other ones as spares because there was nothing wrong with them at all. But anyways, the main issue for being under here is these leaf springs. As you can see, they're flattened out pretty good. This is directly underneath the fridge. And then over on the other side, you can see that they are flattening out as well. And I do have extended warranty, so it will be covered under warranty. I've been told that I will have to pay for the bolts, or the U-bolts that attach the leaf springs to the axles. I don't know what that expense will be, but the bolts that go on the end of each leaf spring I have, because I've recently purchased a full set of wet bolts from Amazon, and yeah, it should be fun.
So we're back at Travelland. It's I can't see the time. It's probably about 4:30. People are going home from the office. So I see the trailer is still inside the shop. We left it here at our appointment time, 9 o'clock, and I see it's still on jacks. It's in behind that pickup there, and that's not good. Wondering why it's still up on jacks. Brent's inside. He'll get to the bottom of it. Hi, puppy dog. How you doing? Did you not enjoy going to the park? Huh? Maddie's all pooped out again. I can't see. Hello, sweetheart. Did you have fun at the park? Huh? Going for a walk? And it looks like the jacks have moved. So we're at 4:35, 5 minutes ago from when I was talking to you. And the jacks have moved. I think we may have success. We will get our trailers back tonight. Whew, it just went down. I don't know if you can see that. There she is inside the building. Must be getting close to being done. I'll be happy when I see it coming out of that building. Oh, it's moving. Yes, they're gonna pull it back through the building and out the other side. There it goes. All right, we'll see it come around the other side. These are the leaf springs that they took out.
Oh, that's what's going on.
Yeah. Just today.
Oh, I guess it was all today. Right, okay.
Oh, yeah, so
No, we'll have to do it on the trailer. Hopefully you can see the difference.
yeah, well, I took video of it before I brought it in.
Well, can we get under there and before we get any road dirt on it? What's going on? Are you just prepping to hook up?
Yeah. Oh, you want to get under there?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can see from this side that there's nice and shiny things under there.
That's what I replaced.
Huh?
That's what I replaced.
Oh, I never noticed it before. Okay. Let me get in here and have a look.
Okay. Want me to explain it?
Yeah, you're gonna have to do some splaining.
Okay. Well, here we are at Travelland, picking up the RV. They replaced the leaf springs. So we've got brand new leaf springs. And there's the plastic bushings that came with them. They're garbage, but it's good for a spare. I gave them all the brass bushings I had from when I bought the Moride wet bolt kit. I did change out all of the bushings and shackles, bushings and I changed out all of the shackles to the wider ones, as you see here. And then, since the leaf springs came with plastic bushings, they popped those out and put the brass ones in that I supplied. One thing I didn't realize, I had replaced all of these bolts with the brand new ones, and since I had torqued them down, they had to break the torque, or to break it open, because they have splines on the bolts, and they had to put 4 new bolts in, even though these have about 8 miles on them. So they're only, I guess, 2 weeks old. I've done one short trip with them. And as you can see, on the far side there, the leaf springs don't look much different than they did before. These are brand new, and hopefully they last a little bit longer than the last ones did.
So I crawled under the trailer. Brent didn't want to. So over there you can see brand new, no dirt, no muss, no fuss, leaf springs, and right here as well. Sure feels good to be back home again.
Yeah, out of the trailer for a day, slightly homeless, but at least Travelland was able to get back to us within the day, like they had promised.
Yeah, so that's all taken care of, and that's all we wanted to share with you this week.
And give us a thumbs up if you like what you see.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Ring that bell for notifications.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Save it for a couple of years down the road.
Yes. Brent learning how to use it.
At least the 9's easier than the 7. 7, I just wanted to throw it away.
This is the one you're having trouble with. Okay. Yes, brakes check. 4 ways check.
Okay. All I want you to do is watch that rear left corner. I'm going to pull forward about 5 feet and then start cutting it. Okay, so once I get past that, well, I can probably pull forward like a foot to be past right?
Oh yeah.
Okay, here we go. I think I just drove up.
Yeah, you did. Yep, you did.
Did you get it? Or do I have to move?
Oh, you broke one of them.
Well, the yellow one was in front, so that's probably one I broke, right?
Yeah, and that's not part of that leveling thing, is it?
Yeah.
Would you like me to close this pass-through too?
Throw it in that front pass-through. Throw it in the front pass-through. I left it open.
Yeah, the one that's open? Okay, let's try this again. I thought it was the piece of plywood that broke.
Okay, I'm pulling forward.
Yep. Can I get in the truck now? It's raining. Okay, I'm hanging out. Maybe. I was trying to say. Okay, I had to fix my camera. That's what happens when I let Brent play with it. It feels good to be back home again.
Wrigley.
Okay, take 2.